Magandang hapon po. Kasi baka hindi niyo po maintindihan ang Ilocano. Kaya na-imbag na maluyo ako. And welcome everyone. Briefly, this is the second meeting now of the Pre-Proclamation Committee. We had our first noong December 8, 2011. This is in response to the city resolution number 267, of which for today we have invited you also to join us para mag-leveling of po tayo on the processes and procedures in the evaluation of the request of the city government for the segregation of the 12 barangays from BCBA. So, siguro for the meantime, nag-request po kami ng additional copy doon sa minutes of the meeting namin. So, for the body to have like 5 minutes or 10 minutes to go over the minutes of the meeting. But before we do that, may we request everyone to ako consider introduction natin again. Kasi ngayon is nadagdagan na naman tayo as part of the group. So, saan natin ito umpisahan?